Let's make SC Grenadine. Normally when I'm making a syrup, I usually think of slow and low, so low temperature for a longer amount of time. Smuggler's Cove does this grenadine slightly different, and I'll explain that when we get to the stovetop. But first, I'm going to put 1 cup of the pomegranate juice, the Palm Wonderful, because it is wonderful, 1 cup into my saucepan. And this is a 16-ounce bottle, so I could do 2 cups if I want, but I'm not going to, because Smuggler's Cove is not policing me. Now, see you at the stovetop. Now that we're at the stovetop, I'm going to turn this on to a high heat, and I'm going to bring the pomegranate juice to a boil. I'll be with you in just a moment. Okay, now that this is boiling, I'm going to add my sugar. Whew. And I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves with a wooden spoon. They do specify wooden spoon. This should take about a minute. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and I'm going to let it cool to room temperature. I'll be back with you in a bit. Now that the grenadine is room temperature, there's only one thing left to do. Bottle, label, refrigerate. I think that's it. So, we've got my little Quadra bottles. You don't have to use Quadra bottles, you can use whatever bottles that you like. And then label. I don't use fancy labels, I use masking tape. So we have SC Grenadine. 1-to-1, just in case. And today is September 24. There you have it. SC Grenadine. Enjoy.